Well, we're tracking another morning starting off with some foggy conditions. This is a live look, or it was a live look earlier this morning at Macon, Missouri. Again, north on Highway 63, and kind of illustrates the point perfectly. You can pick out some headlights, but that's about it. Again, you want to slow down if you're going to be heading out on some of these roadways because this looks like it's going to be just about area wide. If we're not dealing with that fog, we've got some of those light showers kind of slowing down traffic this morning. So take it nice and slow as we get into this afternoon, though. Temperatures look like they're going to make a recovery, especially up in some of our northern counties that have been locked in some of that cooler air. Going to be seeing some more 70s showing up and nearing 80 degrees as we get into the early afternoon hours. And then we're going to be looking at rain chances, it looks like, returning once again. And that could be causing some problems for those maybe trying to catch Sports Zone Football Friday's Game of the Week. We're going down to Rockbridge High School, Southern Columbia. We'll be looking at kickoff right around 73 degrees, but we're going to be tracking some showers and thunderstorms here across a good portion of mid-Missouri. Here's how Future Track has this unfolding. And notice by about 6 and 7 o'clock, we'll see some showers and a few thunderstorms. Again, fairly isolated in terms of coverage, but if you do get caught underneath one of those, certainly not a great idea to be out in some of those football stands later on tonight. These showers going to keep with us here, at least that chance for it, all the way through the overnight hours into tomorrow morning, then scooting off in some of our eastern counties later into the morning. And I think that's mostly what we're going to be tracking in terms of rain chances, but we got to watch this last band here. That's the frontal boundary itself that's going to start to sweep us through and kind of clear the slate into Sunday. It may be just enough to fire up a shower or two later on for Saturday afternoon into the evening hours. So we'll keep an eye on that. We'll continue to track it, but looks like if anything does get up and going along that boundary, it's going to be fairly light in nature as we get into our Saturday. Temperatures, though, back in the upper 70s, near 80 degrees both days this weekend. The pick of the weekend, though, is certainly going to be on Sunday. Don't have to deal with anything in terms of those rain chances, and that humidity is going with them as well as we get into the second day this weekend. And looks like it's going to be just about a copy and paste type of forecast. Monday, Tuesday, even into Wednesday. We will slowly but surely get back into some of those low to maybe some mid-80s by the middle of next work week, but not looking at a whole lot in terms of those rain chances, kind of like we dealt with all week. It looks like Mother Nature trying to make up for it next week here. Looking at that ABC 17 Storm Track 7-day forecast.